Massive hair growth oil using ingredients you already have. Are you struggling with hair thinning, slow growth, or excessive shedding? This powerful hair growth oil is packed with natural ingredients that promote thicker, healthier hair, using items you may already have in your kitchen or hair care stash. Stay with me till the end, and I'll show you exactly how to make it. Add rosemary. The first ingredient you need is rosemary. Rosemary is well known for its incredible hair benefits, and if you're dealing with hair loss, this is one herb you don't want to skip. It has anti-inflammatory properties, which help soothe scalp irritation, and it also enhances blood circulation to the scalp. Why is this important? Because better circulation means more oxygen, and nutrients are delivered to your hair follicles, which helps stimulate growth. Next, we're adding fenugreek seeds. These tiny seeds are packed with protein and nicotinic acid, which deeply nourish the hair roots and strengthen them from within. If you've been experiencing excessive shedding, fenugreek can help reduce it significantly. The rich mucilage content in fenugreek also provides a natural slip, making your hair softer, shinier, and more manageable over time. Now, let's bring in cloves. Cloves are powerful because they contain potent antioxidants and antimicrobial properties. These work together to stimulate blood circulation in the scalp, ensuring your hair follicles get the nutrients they need to thrive. Cloves also help strengthen hair follicles, which means less breakage and thicker, fuller hair over time. If you want to take your hair growth to the next level, cloves are a must-have ingredient. Moving on, we're adding black seed, also known as black cumin or Nigella sativa. This ingredient is famous for balancing scalp conditions, whether you're dealing with dandruff, itchiness, or excessive oil production. It also helps reduce hair loss by strengthening the roots and preventing premature shedding. Black seed oil has been used for centuries to promote the growth of thicker, healthier hair. And by infusing the actual seeds in oil, you get all the goodness in its purest form. Add moringa. Now let's talk about moringa. This is a superfood for your hair. Moringa is rich in vitamins A, C, and E, along with essential minerals like zinc and iron, which are crucial for a healthy scalp. It strengthens hair strands, reducing breakage and split ends. Plus, if you suffer from dry or brittle hair, moringa is excellent for hydration and nourishment, making your strands more resilient. Once you have all your ingredients, grind them together into a fine or coarse powder, depending on your preference. Grinding helps release the nutrients, making it easier for the oil to absorb all the benefits during infusion. Now, let's bring in our carrier oils. First up is olive oil. This oil is rich in essential fatty acids and antioxidants, which penetrate the hair shaft, deeply moisturizing the scalp and strands. Olive oil also strengthens hair, reducing breakage and promoting elasticity. Next, add coconut oil. This oil is a deep conditioner with antimicrobial properties, which means it helps protect your scalp from infections while reducing protein loss in the hair shaft. Coconut oil penetrates deeply, making your hair softer, shinier, and stronger. To seal in moisture and boost the shelf life of your oil, add vitamin E oil. Vitamin E is an antioxidant powerhouse that helps lock in hydration, reduce scalp inflammation, and promote a healthy environment for hair growth. Once all the ingredients are mixed, stir everything together thoroughly. Store it in a dark place for 2 weeks, shaking the jar occasionally to ensure the ingredients infuse properly. This waiting period allows all the herbs and seeds to release their potent nutrients, making the oil as powerful as possible for hair growth. After 2 weeks, strain out the herbs and seeds using a fine sieve or cheesecloth. Now your massive hair growth oil is ready. You can use this oil as a scalp treatment by massaging it in 2 to 3 times a week, a pre-shampoo treatment to strengthen and nourish your strands. A leave-in oil for sealing in moisture and adding shine to your hair. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more hair growth and natural hair care tips. See you in the next video.